Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Disco Elysium game stuck on loading screen or not loading or showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games under library section where you have downloaded the game. Now click on the three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see launch option. You have to enable it, and after that you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, again go to Epic Games, under library section select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see verify option. You simply need to click on verify option and wait for some time unless the verification is done, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. After that, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working now. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to File Explorer. Now here you have to select the game. Here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working. If this also doesn't result, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, just click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. So it's been added. Here you have to select you have to tick mark on both public and private boxes, and after that click on OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to play the game. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. So somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if then it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now, after the website opens, go below. From here, you have to download the Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now click on close. Now after that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check whether you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application and add it to the list over here. It's been added. Now click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game. For that, go to Epic Games. Now under library section, you have to select the game, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it and finally click on uninstall. So This will delete the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Epic Games and reinstall Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game, once again, and click on the play button or launch option to check whether it's opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.